Today's post notification shout out goes out to Horace Lee. Thanks, Horace, for commenting on my video. If you want a post notification shout out, all you gotta do is be the first to comment on my video.
Alright, so she roll her eyes. For some reason, the video just start. Look on the big nasty yawn. Look at the yawn. What she think about with her and her jaw? So apparently she must just wake up because that's the only way you could possibly look like this, right? Yeah, should just wake. Cause look on the face. No. So I reach in a car already and I fix the wig. She and the wig. What should I look for? Okay. Yeah, we have to moisturize the lips, people. Make sure your lips, yeah, with the shea butter. Cause you know, some people lip crack up like cement. So we have to make sure say we keep our lips moist. Outer road outside. Looking at the clouds. Scratch my face. You know, make sure you rub out this cocoa butter because the piece still dead so I have to make sure we get everything smooth out and fix the wig, of course, because it kind of lean. The back one brush out and everything, but we just gotta use our finger, improvise. I will still rub out the cocoa butter because I have to make sure everything, yeah, and brush out the wig. But it's stubborn though, and watch it can't straighten out. Me I go through and it just no one. Watch it. No man, yeah, we have fixed the back. Alright. Okay. People are put gas in a car. Who that? Oh. Who that? No, so then why the camera upside down? Somebody can tell me why I'm upside down? Okay, so we're secure. You know, sometimes it's good to get a different view. You know, in a life, you always have to look on different perspectives. Yeah, so get a view of me upside down. We have to give you that. I'm back again with the slant wig. Or maybe it's just a style. I feel like I just a style. Because, yeah, like, oh, it cut. Forget to go my eye, too. Man, alright, we do road again. We do road. Outside. Yep. That's me looking beautiful. My zone out a while ago. I don't know why, but okay. Yeah. So we're just in the car, you know. How is your day? Sunny day, nice day. But I would lot beside of me for them head one fix, man. Alright, yeah. Better view outside. Alright. Look at the trees. Look at, oh wow. Okay. So it's my auntie. Now why am I want to embarrass my auntie like this? No. Is somebody wicked? Who want to put, no, but what is she going on with over there? My nice clean grand aunt that at the front. Yeah. No. What? Oh, may I explain to her what I'm doing? She's gonna voice over it so we're not talk. Yeah, but we're talking, but we're not hear me. Right. But I'm not lie. She could have put a brush in her ear stills. But okay. Looking at the trees. Look on the nice sun. Yeah. Yeah, she finally I get a brush. You see it there though? Sometimes you have to talking and things happen. Now she brush it out. Fix the ear. Yeah. Have to look like decent people. Look at the beautiful trees. Will I drive faster though? I want to smell. Something not right. No, sir. Something not right. Look at the face. Yeah, man, it think. Yeah, for real. Wow, look at that. Refined. Look at the ear. Controlled. I love that for you. Still, I fix the wig. Okay, boy, the wig just not behave. But yeah. Why am I look like that? Prepare for Halloween and all these things. Okay. People, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. yawning as wow. I'm trying to take you guys in. The way I love my subscribers, me have to yawn for try to take on in. Why this your car ride along? Yeah, that's a door handle. For those who don't know, that's a door handle. I'm gonna take a dose. I'm gonna take a 5, cause boy, that journey are long. Dun, 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 dun. It's a long drive, a long drive, a long drive. I have to go sleep. Sometimes you have to just sleep, people. Alright, look like we reach. Look like we reach. Reach. We're there. Ooh, look at the hottie. No, man. Girl, nice. Yeah, we know. Sometimes we work on the belly. It's okay. We understand. But you look nice same way. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, we're at the road again. We're outside. So look like we're on our way home now. Oh, I know that road there. Yeah. I know that road there. Alright, we're on our way home now. Breeze a blow. Sun is outside in. Yeah, so today is just a little vlog, guys. With we're just step on the road. Yeah, me and the wig and the smile. Smile. Smile a while. Wow. What's that? I want me to look on something up on my face. Oh, I have to brush the wig 2 times, because sometimes the wig's stubborn. Okay. I mean, I like my auntie. I just love show her on my channel. Yeah, even when she don't want to on it. Alright. It's just a journey, you see it. Sometime in our life we just have to drive out, we just have to drive. And we just have to go on a journey in our life. Peace. Peace. Cheese. Selfie. Oh my gosh, you look so nice. Smile. I don't mean say she can't smile for the camera. Watch her. Smile now. Cheese. Alright. Okay, I'll move on now. So we're up on the tour roll. KFC and Pizza Hut. KFC, one on drive. Get bigger 2 piece of chicken. But I love as barbecue singer right now. Long time I drive them road there, people. So it's like I feel like I drive too. We're there over a mall now. I know over a mall. This is Portmore Mall. For all those who never know, this is Portmore Mall. I like my auntie watch it. Catch a walk. Muggle pan them. Yeah. Walk like you're hot, girl, cause you're hot. Whoa. Big money. Boom, chick. Alright, look like I wish I were there. I don't know them places, yeah. Alright, this is me, people. Look how I look nice, yeah. Red and black day, it's just a chill vibe. Yeah, we're just rocking a little 3/4 red pants with slippers, with hot girl slippers, and the hot girl bell. You know what them call them sleeve blouse there. Yeah, we're just rocking it. Good body every time. Have a nice shape, everything. And we just have a flaunt what God give way straight up. Yes, and she too. Look for my auntie, people. Look how she nice. Yeah. Real hot girl. Show them say you're my all, but you're not cold. Period. Alright. We're going back to the car now. We'll go back to the vehicle. Alright, we're stepping in, open the door, push, road again. Boy, to the busy door, we're busy bad. We just span the streets. And look at my nice clean grand aunt. Boy, my head hurt me. I'm exhausted. You can see it in my face. Watch it. Alright, rub out the head. We have to rub out the head pain sometime, rub it. Alright. We're driving. This a dirt road. Oh, I know that place here. I know that road here out of Twin. Alright, reach home so fast. Wow, just like that, the wig is off, people. Look at that. Wow, natural beauty. The ear The care no them need for really do over. Yeah, me I show you the baby ear them. Wow. See there? Yawning again. Me have to take on in, you know. Boy, I'm tired. I can't see it in my face. What is this now? No man, I'm hungry. Either I'm hungry or I want to sleep. One out of two. So I just do some work on the computer right now. Yeah. Showing you some I do work. I do look like I do some assignment. Boy, I'm tired of them people on the assignments. Jeez, yawning again. Boy, the way I'm tired of the work, man. I need to eat some food. I'm think that I'm hungry. Cause right now, I don't really see which part of this video I eat. I just have to work. The computer. Oh, Lord. So that's so slow long the internet take for come up. The Google thing. Alright, we I do work, people, cause we's a hard worker too. Alright, we're gonna fix up our ear now. Jolly Fair. Yeah. What is that? I not even see some oil. But I know the Jolly Fair buckle. But I don't know what kind of oil that. So I go just oil with head right now. Cause you know it kinda looking dry. It look thirsty. So I go just get something for drink. Yeah. I'm forgetting the scalp, people. Make sure you're oiling your scalps. Cause some of we have dry scalp. We need to make sure so my scalp not dry, you know. I just assess some people have it. Rub that in. Oh, I got beard. Alright. Boy, I take on upon everything though. Well, wash your face. Well, beard and all these things. Wow. I don't know which soap that one, brown soap, but it look like we take off the dark spots them. So we wash your face, make sure you get in them pores and everywhere. Make sure it's properly lather. Yeah. Real YouTube style showing on the soap. I have a pause for the thumbnail just in case I might use it. Rub my face. Scrub my face. Scrub it everywhere. Scrubbity. Just to scrub my face. Woo! Need some bathroom music. McLean. Ray. Some people. Yeah, we're done. Oh, we wash your face more than one time, people. Because sometimes one time is not enough. Watch her play hopscotch with the water. Alright. We're dancing. Hey, dance. We are dancing at the bathroom. Scrub a dub. Scrub in the tub. Yeah. Be it. Some girl though. Be it. But we are be it right now. Alright. Well, too much on. Well, at the curtain. When you can't see everything. I'm back. Peekaboo. Wow, and just like that, clean. Oh, look at soap. Alright, we have to wash off that. Boy, sometimes, you know, soap love embarrass people. Look on my face, so it clean. Wow. Back with eyes. No. Oh, okay, you know the style where you, wow, will magically appear. Oh, you know them style where them lick the thing, them phone, them farting at the screen and then boom, close appear. Yeah, so I gotta eat some, I gotta drink some soup. I don't know, it come like me, I act like I don't know how we got here. So I gotta just drink some soup. Yeah. Food with face. Wow. Very fast eating. People, make sure you cool on the food before you eat it. Wow. Then make me eat so fast. Wow. 2.2 seconds. Alright. Now I can stop here and come belly full. Yeah. Good meal. Thumbs up. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, people. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah. You may talk. You subscribe, like. I don't know what me I do all them and gestures here for. Oh, we're done.